A special transmitter made up of microphone attached to a mirror was used to transmit voice over several hundred feet using the light from the sun. The mirror was used to reflect the light from the sun to the receiving side. The microphone, mechanically attached to the mirror, caused the mirror to vibrate as voice were spoken into it. The voice then was vibrated to the voice frequency, which will vary or which will change the amplitude of the reflected sunlight. At the receiving side, a special photocell is used to absorb the sunlight to the receiving side. The photocell is a small battery-like device which produces a DC output voltage proportional to the amount of light received. As the amount of light received from the sun varies, the voltage output from the photocell also varies in the same way. So, when the voltage was connected to an earphone, the voice was reproduced from the original voice. So, in that way, Alexander Graham Bell hypothesized that light can be used as a medium for data transmission. Today, fiber optic cable has been used and has been highly refined. Cables many miles long is constructed and interconnected in order to transmit information over a very long distance. Its great advantage is that fiber optic cables have a very high and incredible way of information carrying capacity.